Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna explain how to hide a text inside a document in Microsoft Word. Hiding a text can be useful in so many scenarios, like for example over here you can see we have this quiz paper where students are required to write the meaning of these particular words, but the meanings have already been given over here. Since we want all these meanings to be hidden, so what we would do, we'll simply select all these meanings then we'll go to this font group option, click on this dialogs launcher, and here you can see we have this option hidden. Simply click on it, click on OK, and there you can see now we don't have meanings anymore in our document. Now you can simply get a print of it, give it to your students, and test them on their vocabulary. The hiding the text option can also be used if you want to hide some sensitive information in a document. For example, here we have employee salary information. We have three guys in different positions in different departments with their salaries given over here. Suppose we want to send this particular document to someone, but we don't want their salary information to be conveyed to them. So what we would do, we'll simply select this particular option like this. Again, go over here and simply choose this particular option hidden, click on OK, and there you go. It's no longer showing the salary information of these individuals over here. Similarly, we can use these hide text option in these cases as well. We can add personal notes or instructions in collaborative projects, and we can also include additional information in our reports as well. Now, if you are going to get a print of this particular document, you won't see the hidden text in the print preview as well as in the final print. Let me show you. Go over here into File. There you can see our documents with all the words without meanings because we have made them hidden, and same case over here as well. Now, in order to make this hidden text visible again, we can use two options. For example, you can go over here and click on Show and Hide button, and there you can see the text is visible again. And if you click on it again, it becomes invisible again. The other option that you can use, simply select area where your text is hidden like this. Go over here again and simply uncheck this hidden option, click on OK, and there we have our text visible again. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.